Today I'm going to explain how to sew elastic on a fabric. So here, I have a 28 centimeters wide fabric, and I'm going to put an elastic band on it, which is going to be 14 cms. So I measure it and cut at 14 centimeters. I cut my rubber band. So the principle is obviously that it's going to pucker the fabric so as to lay a taut elastic. You're going to put your fabric on. I place it with the elastic on the end. The principle is that we will have to hold the elastic on its end before pulling, so I put the crowbar down. I'm trying to wedge a little more. You're going to do a few stitches, whatever the stitch. It can be a straight stitch, a zigzag stitch. On my machine, I've selected a zigzag stitch, and I make a few stitches beforehand without nothing special, just like that, to hold a few stitches back and add a stop stitch. So I'm going to move the fabric a bit, because otherwise I don't have enough to hold on behind. Then I'm going to pull my rubber band so that it's taut. Normally the principle is that it should be taut along the entire length of the fabric, so at first it's a bit complicated because the fabric is going to hold. It's going to cling. You have to pull it so with the left hand or the right hand, if you're left or right-handed, you pull from one side to the other. You maintain the tension into the beginning. It's a little bit chaotic. It's normal, not very straight. You go very slowly, and when it's easier, yoke continues to tighten, and you go. Here I chose a point zigzag. And as you go, you maintain the tension. If you want to stop in the middle, you can. When you start again, you continue to stretch the rubber band. At the end, of course, a few stitches back. And now you see that you've sewn a 14 centimeter elastic on a 28 fabric. It's worth making gathers with a stitch zigzag stitch, stopping both ends to hold, and your elastic is in place.